Hi there, this is just a quick reminder to take extra care when following the advice in our videos, especially when it comes to things like electrics, gas appliances and heavy lifting. Stay safe and if in doubt, always contact a qualified professional. If your washing machine isn't starting, here's a few things you can do. Firstly, take a look at the power cord. It may seem obvious, but check everything is plugged in and not damaged. Then, see if there are any broken knobs or shafts. Finally, check that the door is securely closed. Your washing machine won't start if it thinks the door is open. Make sure you're not overloading your washing machine. The drum is not designed to work at 100% capacity. Using too much detergent can make some washing machines unbalanced. Make sure you use the recommended amount. Finally, if your machine has an adjustable spin speed, try lowering it to reduce the vibrations. If your clothes aren't cleaning properly, you may not be using enough detergent, or you could be using the wrong type. Check your user manual to see what the manufacturer recommends. Finally, it could be that your filter is blocked. Clean the filter and remove any foreign objects which could be blocking the impeller. A blocked filter may be preventing your washing machine from draining properly. Simply clean the filter and remove any foreign objects which could be blocking the impeller. Another common cause could be a blocked drain hose. Again, check and clean if necessary. If your washing machine's a bit pongy, here's what you need to do. Quickly check that the drum is completely empty. Any spare change you find is now yours. Put on a hot cycle to kill any pesky bacteria. Next, give the inside a good scrub, especially round the door seals. After that, it's time to clean the filter using hot water. Finally, wipe down the outside of the machine. Stop bad smells coming back by removing clothes as soon as they're clean, not overloading your machine, checking the filter regularly and washing your clothes at a suitable temperature. First things first, switch off and unplug your machine. Turn off the water supply at the valve or stopcock. Now use those muscles to pull out the machine. If you're not as strong as Dave here, get someone to help. If you don't fancy an impromptu shower, lay down some towels. Then put one bucket at each end of the water pipes. Unscrew the pipes using pliers or a wrench if you need to. Drain any water out into the buckets. Finally, pull the hose out to the outlet pipe. Again, keep yourself dry by removing all the water. And that's it. Let's sort out those dirty shoes of yours. Firstly, prepare them for washing. Give them a good scrub if they're particularly muddy. Now, pop them inside the machine. Add some towels to stop them rattling around and damaging the drum. Use a mild liquid detergent or washing powder. You don't need too much. Put them on a cold wash and low spin speed before hitting start. Once they're clean, leave your trainers to dry for up to a day, ideally outside. We know that's not always possible if you live in the UK though. There are loads of ways to speed up the drying process, but we don't recommend using the tumble dryer. Let your trainers air dry to keep them looking fresh. Thanks for watching. Check out the rest of the videos on our YouTube channel. Or for more advice on looking after your home appliances, head to the D&G website at domesticandgeneral.com.